So guys, this is what we should be expecting for the day, right? On our GBP JPY. So first thing, before we go ahead to predict what market will be doing for the day, make sure you subscribe to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, guys, let's pay attention to this GBPJPY and what we'll be expecting for the day. Starting with the trend, you can clearly see that GBPJPY is in an uptrend move. What? We are in an uptrend move. So, market was able to give us this high, and then this was a pullback that came to tap our trend line, right? It bounced up, rejected, and gave us a new higher high. Then a pullback was made that came to tap our trend line, right? Market eventually gave us this bounce up, which is a new high. Then a pullback was made that came close to tap our trend line, right? Market eventually pushed up again to form a new higher high. This is a pullback that's literally tapped to tap our trend line, right? So now the market has tapped our trend line, we should be expecting market to push up again. It is going to take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting on our GBP JPY. So now pay attention to this. Let's zoom it in. Market is what's trending upward. This is your high and this is your higher low. This is the higher high. Here is your higher low. This is also the higher high. Now this is just a pullback, which is an higher low. So market is now pushing on to form a new higher high. So expect it to continue to push up further till it is able to take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting on GBPJPY. So make sure you subscribe if you do not want to miss out on the next update. Make sure you like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.